Welcome back to America's game, Drugs Jeopardy, the only game show focused on pharmaceutical drugs and their uses. I'm your host, Riley Talentire, with our guests tonight, Billy Pizzuti and Connor Walsh. We are down to the last column with 5 questions left on the board. Here we go. Question 1. What is Spiriva and what are its uses?
Spiriva is a bronchodilator used for asthma and COPD treatment.
That's right.
Spiriva is an FDA-approved anticholinergic drug that is used for long-term treatment of bronchospasm associated with COPD, as well as the long-term treatment of asthma. The drug is a bronchodilator and works to relax muscles in the airways of the lungs, helping to keep them open.
On to question 2. Who makes the drug Spiriva?
The NFL.
Sorry, that's incorrect.
The makers of Spiriva are Boehringer Ingelheim, a global group of companies with locations in every continent, except Antarctica. The company was founded in 1885 and is still family-owned today. In that time, it has climbed into the top 20 pharmaceutical companies in the industry, boasting net sales north of $21 billion last year.
Question 3. What is the biologically active molecule in Spiriva?
Tiotropium Bromide.
That is correct. For all you science nerds out there, take a look at this structure.
Here you can see the molecule has the ability to participate in many important interactions, including hydrogen bonding, charge-charge interactions, and pi-pi interactions. These play a large factor in how this molecule binds to the active site.
Question 4. Considering this figure, you can see the molecule as it is bound to the M3 receptor. It reversibly binds to the active site, making it what kind of inhibitor?
Competitive inhibitor.
Great, that's correct.
As you can see, the M3 receptor consists mainly of alpha helices, coils, and beta turns, as well as a small section with beta strands. The unique quaternary structure of the M3 receptor only allows specific ligands to bind to it. The characteristic intermolecular interactions with tiotropium bromide allow the duo to coordinate and effectively bind. With high enough concentration of tiotropium bromide, acetylcholine is inhibited from binding to nearly all of the active sites, and airway constriction is reduced.
Down to the final question. Does Spiriva have a permanent effect?
No, because competitive inhibition is reversible.
That's correct. The effects may vary, although the reversibility of binding means some patients may have to take Spiriva multiple times a day. Congratulations to our winner, Billy, who will be receiving a complimentary trip to Oakland. Join us next week for more.